I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Tucson fuel cap. First, ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and unlocked for safety. Then, locate the fuel cap release button, which is typically found on the driver's side dashboard or near the driver's seat. Press this button firmly, and you should hear a small click as the fuel door unlatches, allowing you to proceed to the next step. Once you've pressed the release button, make your way to the rear driver's side of your Hyundai Tucson. The fuel door is located on this side. With the door unlatched, you can now gently push on the edge of the fuel door. It should swing open easily, revealing the fuel cap itself. There's no need to force it. A light push is usually all that's required to open it completely. Now that the fuel door is open, you'll see the fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise. You'll hear a few clicks as the cap loosens, which is a normal safety feature. Continue turning until the cap is completely free from the fuel filler neck. Most Hyundai Tucson models have a small hook or holder on the inside of the fuel door where you can conveniently hang the cap while refueling. After refueling, it's time to close everything up. First, replace the fuel cap by turning it clockwise. You should hear at least 3 clicks, indicating it's securely tightened. This prevents fuel vapors from escaping. Finally, gently push the fuel door closed. It should latch firmly into place without needing excessive force. Double-check that both the cap and door are secure before driving away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.